Travel confidently. Beginner tips. Step 1. Choose your destination. Pick a place that excites you and fits your budget. Consider the weather, local culture, and activities available. Research the best times to visit and look for deals on flights and accommodations. Step 2. Pack light and smart. Use a checklist, roll clothes, and pack only essentials. Remember to pack versatile clothing that can be layered. Don't forget travel-sized toiletries and a first aid kit. Step 3. Stay safe and navigate. Download offline maps and keep valuables secure. Be aware of your surroundings and avoid risky areas. Keep copies of important documents. Step 4. Be flexible and enjoy. Stay hydrated, rest well, and have fun. Embrace the unexpected and make the most of every moment. Ready to start your trip? Download my free ebook, 10 Things You Should Know About Travel, in my bio. Step 5. Learn basic phrases in the local language. It can help you navigate and connect with locals. Step 6. Plan your itinerary, but leave room for spontaneity. Balance must-see attractions with downtime. Step 7. Stay connected. Get a local SIM card or portable Wi-Fi to stay in touch and access information. Step 8. Respect local customs and etiquette. Learn about cultural norms to avoid misunderstandings. Subscribe for more travel tips. Happy travels. Ready to take your travel game to the next level? Here's your ultimate travel toolkit. Step 9. Use travel apps. Apps can help you find the best restaurants, attractions, and deals. Download apps like Google Maps, TripAdvisor, and XC Currency Converter. Step 10. Stay healthy. Carry hand sanitizer, stay active, and eat well. Use fitness apps like MyFitnessPal to track your diet and exercise routines. Step 11. Budget wisely. Track your expenses and avoid unnecessary splurges. Try budgeting apps like Trail Wallet or Spendy. Step 12. Capture memories. Take photos and keep a travel journal. Use apps like Google Photos and Day One Journal to document your journey. Step 13. Learn from locals. Engage with locals to get insider tips and recommendations. Use language learning apps like Duolingo or Babbel to break the ice. Step 14. Travel insurance. Get travel insurance to cover unexpected events. Look into apps like World Nomads or Allianz Travel Smart for coverage options. Step 15. Eco-friendly travel. Be mindful of your environmental impact and choose sustainable options. Use apps like Happy Cow to find vegan and vegetarian dining options. Enjoy your journey and make unforgettable memories. Don't forget to download my free ebook, 10 Things You Should Know About Travel, in my bio. Happy travels.